Here's another one of my friend's neighbor's unit. This is at a ginormous house again. This is an Ameristar by American Standard. Air conditioner. 2006 13 SEER R22. It's a 5-ton. Got, as you can tell by the sound, an Alliance scroll compressor. It's just train's base model. Liquid line is outdoor temperature, and that suction line is freezing cold and sweating, but no ice. There's another Generac. All my friends' neighbors have Generacs. That house next door does as well, and then that house over there does too. But anyways, so yeah. It's fairly loud, I gotta say. It's huge though. 13 SEER, just basic train. House is 3,100 square feet. And this is running on a very hot evening. Doing a great job. Not much else to see. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.